2005, NASA launches Viking 1, the first human vessel to land on the Red Planet. Its mission: find life on Mars. As Viking drops toward the planet's surface, NASA engineer Dr. Gilbert Levin monitors from the heart of mission control.
The moment Viking 1 touched down, this was excitement beyond belief. It beat the World Series.
The lander is programmed to detect Martian life using a radioactive suit. Its mechanical claw digs into the blood-red soil.
They take a scoop of Martian dirt and they pour nutrient solution on top of it.
It's like fishing. You put bait on a hook and wait for a bite.
All you're doing is feeding suspected microorganisms, and if they metabolize what you feed them, the gas they make from it will be radioactive. That makes it very easy to detect.
No radioactive gas, no life. It's that simple. For 40 long minutes, the sensors flatline.
All of a sudden, we see there is a response, a result coming back showing thousands of counts per minute of radioactive gas coming out of our sample. That was the proof that NASA said it would accept before the mission.
This is a NASA-approved experiment on a NASA mission, and the results are clear. This is life.
Viking repeats the experiments. Each one confirms signs of Martians. There is life on Mars. Calls a press conference. To Gil's amazement, he is told to downplay his results.
They put me down as the last one to speak, and they had cautioned me not to say I had detected life on Mars.
Why isn't this information being circulated? This could be one of the most important discoveries of all time.
According to NASA, the reason is simple. Gil's results contradict two other experiments run on similar samples, also aimed at detecting life.
They look for organic compounds, just molecules that are typical of life in that dirt. And they don't find it. So they say, okay, forget it. Whatever was happening there, it wasn't life.
Without this evidence, NASA isn't convinced they found life on Mars.
And they said, no organics, there goes the ball game.
But now, after nearly 4 decades of uncertainty, new evidence could explain why NASA's other experiments contradict Gil's results.
We're just confused because the signal is not exactly what we expected, but it's still biological.
In 2008, NASA detects vast salt deposits across the planet's surface.
One of the surprising results from Mars exploration was the discovery that the salt on Mars was not like the salt on Earth. Think of it as a bizarre form of salt.
Crucially, when Martian salt is heated, it destroys any biological molecules. And the other experiments Viking conducted all heated the soil samples in an attempt to release organic compounds. So even if life exists in the salty soil, the other experiments destroyed any trace of it. Additionally, the salt may do more than mask the presence of life on Mars. It could also be a key to its existence. On Earth, we've discovered bugs that eat this salt to live.
There are microorganisms that can consume that salt. They can use that salt the way we humans use oxygen.
Mars could be a salty haven for life, too.
Mars life would not be very alien. It would have many of the same characteristics and features of life on Earth.
Viking's biological detectors couldn't have found Martian life, because only Gil's tests left the soil unheated, preserving evidence of any salt-munching microbes. It may be time to revisit Gil's findings.
If you want to find out what the data really mean, you've got to go back.